Hello and welcome to Sarup to Sky, and in this video we are going to deal with playing with Matplotlib part 1 in Python program language, which is a highly general purpose language. We know how to make different types of, it's in our course, how to use different type of packages, and for that, for graphical user interface or data visualization, we use different libraries. Then what is data visualization? Data visualization refers to the visual representation of any data, like using any bar chart, line chart, pie chart, different ways. And for that purpose we use matplotlib.pyplot. It's a Python library, matplotlib, and it has an interface pyplot. We are using pyplot, which is an interface of matplotlib library of Python for this purpose. And this is a MATLAB is a language for technical computing, and it integrates computer visualization programming for easy to use environment. You can Google this for more information, but there is no use of it. Now, how to install pyplot? There are several videos on how to install pyplot or how to install various libraries in different methods in Sarup to Sky. We have made a video for using pip. If you are using Anaconda Navigator, you have to, there is no need to install any matplotlib library because it is already installed in your computer. But if you are done from standard official distribution, you have to install matplotlib from pip. So there are videos which you can refer, and they are in the description of this video. Now this is a screen shot for the Anaconda Navigator to find the matplotlib library. Importing pyplot command, how to import this? So for that, import matplotlib.pyplot.pl as plt. The plt is an alias which we use plt as a reference for rest of the codes, because writing every time at this big thing is difficult. So we import in the way like this, and we import almost all the libraries using this method. Now let's make a simple program, how make you clear that how a code work. We will talk more in the second part of the video, but let's make a line. For line import, we have done importing things, and this how the output look like. Let's go to the details of it. First, the code is containing majorly 4 things: the importing thing, then our data, that is 2 data are given, 1 and 100, then plot command. We will know how to what is this plot command. For now, actually it is a line making command. It creates line for us, and it can also create some scatter plot. We will come to this. First thing to note here, it is the first one is abbreviated as x-axis, and the second part is the y-axis of the graph we use, and this thing is similar to the print command. And we usually write things like print something, and the output will look that the thing in the inverted. So we use print command similarly in the way like this. Now output thing, so I have written the same data for twice because I haven't used here that data twice, a and then comma a, for x coordinates and y. This will double up this data and use up, and this portion, first portion, is taken as a first point here down there, and the second portion is taken here as a second point, and connecting them creates a line about this axis. And this first data is the x-axis where a, and the second one was a y-axis. That much is enough for us. Now we will know what are the different types of charts. This is one of them, a line chart. So we have deal with a line chart. Now bar chart, scatter chart, pie chart, histogram, box plot, we will deal each of them individually in the second part of the video. And this is a screenshot of my notes. You can refer it. It's in our Telegram group. Now different types of plot. There is a line plot. This is a bar plot. How it's look like, it's a curvy. We have made a straight line. It may be curvy, it may be bar, it may be pie, it can be scatter, it can be different of colors, it can be a histogram, it can be a box plot. There are various varieties, not only them, there are more than that, different types of we can use images from, but they are all beyond the scope of our knowledge or our course. So more programmers are waiting. In the second part of this video, is playing with Matplotlib part 2. The thumbnail will look like this, and you will notified when it will upload it to you. Till then, you have to share or get that video from this playlist. So make sure you save that playlist in your playlist area, playing with Matplotlib. We have done a lot of programs, not particularly teaching, but we have done a lot of programs and you can refer them. Till then, subscribe to Road to Sky and share our work, and if you like them, give us a like. Thank you very much.